You fucking tag bangers! Did he get him? Fuck you, man!
Do it!
How's it going? Get it now. Just. How's it going? Waste all of it on him.
2 o'clock.
Here it is. Just stop.
What is fucking water?
What the hell was that?
It's heavy.
Dude, the water's so
Ready?
slow down for them.
Stop. Okay, now go. Hey, how's it going? What's up, cool?
How's it going? Like I ruled. What the hell is that thing?
It's a fire extinguisher, you shitball.
Back up, back up. Get him.
We don't have any left.
He's almost up, man. It's done.
He's all, what's going on?
You gotta get him that bad. Look at his trap. What's going on?
How's it going?
Didn't even look. It's fine.
That's a video.
Ready?
Oh! Come out! We want to interview you. We gotta.
That guy's so scared. He's gonna tell him. He's telling the store manager.
If there's anyone who's getting water,
What do I
it's
want?
them.
What are you gonna do?
Oh, tweak. If there's a manager, don't do it, okay?
What are you doing? Don't spray me.
If there's a, seriously, because they'll see me like. It's just that worthless guy James. He won't care. He'll just go, ha, ha. Or the new Garth Brooks.
Water is gonna be given.
I gotta see this.
I always see this thing.
Bags are given. Who is that guy?
He's wet as over
Go. Here it is.
Film it. Film it.
Get him now.
Water! Oh my god! He strikes back!
Did you see me?
Get the fuck out of here. Look at that little fucking midget! You see her? She like, I got like his electronic like head baby business right there.
Fucking worried.
People picking up their babies.
Assassination.
That ass.
Okay, so you have to stop. Just stop. Stop now, Justin. You're going too fast now. Ready? Just stop. Just stop right here.
Oh, it's weak.
Take that. He doesn't even care.
You ready? Just stop. Stop now. You see you slow down.
That guy's laughing.
Okay.
Ah, boy.
Hey, how's it going?
Tablet Club.
New magazine is so fun.
Wait, let me get it clearing out here, okay? Wait. Let me get it total. Wait.
Who cares? That guy doesn't care.
Go!
Is he attacking?
Get this guy. Get this guy so hard. Get him.
That guy doesn't care. Oh, he's running out.
He's running after us.
He's going to go up the side. Go up the side. Nice off. No.
Weren't you in vacation? What? We like